Take a seat, sit back, relax, enjoy your soul. Listen deep, your mantra is the way to go. Ocean seas reveal our factual crime is the road. Your heaven is incredible. I was like, thank you. As I say, thank you. My love said, thank you. How could we be at love's pleasure? Oh, we see the future to the past. Why you to me, your heart as present? Love is just an easy paper. I made it through the weather. Your eyes were supposed to see you fight across the ocean. What's a beach? My horoscope, my spirit showed it. You, my teacher. I'm your word, my dignity, my divinity. She's my forever first. And I was like, maybe I didn't pick up the phone. Maybe I needed some time alone just to be the best you see. I made a declaration to be the sign for you and me. It's like, listen to the word. You better listen to your word. So I said, I'll listen to the word. Oh, you listen to the word. If you're from the Einstein, let me see your lines of flame. And if you're from the Bay, show your truth, represent your parlay. If you're from the D, it's something to say, write your spiritual deeds. Oh, no matter where you're from, clap your hands, stomp your feet for love. Grab your cup, pull up your wine. Do your two-step, put your hands in the sky. Bend your knees, now do your slide, you make it, celebrate, yeah. Two steps, clap it up with me. Pour it up for your victory. Take a sip, it's your Hennessy, you made it, celebrate, yeah.